great benefits of coming to Honda of Fort Worth is the service team that we have here. We have a state-of-the-art facility. We have a lot of great people that are here to help do everything it takes to have your experience be the best it can be.
We strive here every time for excellent customer service. We take integrity in everything we do. We have 5 master technicians on board. We have 11 service advisors that are fully trained and experienced.
Here at Honda Fort Worth, we use Honda factory parts in every car that we service. We have a great parts team back there that does a great job with that. They do go above and beyond trying to make sure that we have all the parts we need to service your vehicle.
We have 25 loan cars on fleet. We also have 2 shuttle drivers that run during the week.
We can take you just pretty much anywhere in Fort Worth and some of the surrounding areas within a 20-mile radius. Take you to work or home and then pick you up when your car's done.
We also have a built-in cafe. While you're here for service, you can get a full meal, you can get a snack. It's a great addition to what we do when we're offering service. Use your laptop, do some work while you're here. We also have a kids area for your kids to play. They can interact, they can watch TV. There's plenty of games in there. We also have customers that bring their own and just kind of make themselves at home in there. When you purchase a vehicle, you get first free oil change. Depending on if you bought a new model or used model, you get 2 years free maintenance. And obviously, we want you to return here for service for those great things that Honda is providing for you at this time.
We're ready to help you at any time, no matter if your car is new or old. A lot of the other dealers in the area that I'm hearing that they're 2 to 3 days out before they can even look at your car. Here, 95% of the time we're going to get to your car that same day.